नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका हिम इंडिया एजुकेशन में। ये जो वीडियो है ये एच पी टेट जो हुआ है आर्ट्स का आज एग्ज़ाम, उसका पार्ट 3 है। कंटिन्यूड है ये 90। इससे पिछले क्वेश्चंस के लिए आप पिछले 2 वीडियो देख सकते हैं हमारे जो अपलोड किए गए हैं, और ये पार्ट 3 है। तो ये 91st क्वेश्चन से हम जो है ये कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं। इसमें जो पूछा था पहला क्वेश्चन, द किंग हु प्लेड द वीणा। 91st का राइट आंसर ए समुद्रगुप्त। 92 क्वेश्चन, द फोर्ट at Muslipatanam was built by। 92 right answer B Dutch, who sail westwards across the Atlantic Ocean to find a route to India। 93 right answer A Columbus। 94th question, what is the ranking of India in the world in terms of area। 94th right answer B 7th। Untouchability is punishable practice according to। 95th right answer C Article 17। Who was the Speaker of first Lok Sabha। 96th right answer B G.V. Mavalankar। 97th question, right to constitutional remedies comes under। 97th right answer A fundamental rights। When was the Supreme Court of India established। 98th right answer A 26 Jan 1950। Sarkaria Commission was associated with। 99th right answer C Center State Relations। 100th question, the Rajya Sabha has a life of। Right answer D permanency। The Dalal Street is situated in। Right answer D Mumbai। 101 right answer D Mumbai। The Panchayati Raj is a dash tier system। 102 right answer C 3। 103rd question, how many banks are nationalized in year 1969। 103 right answer C 14। International Women Day observed on which date। 104th right answer B 8 March। 105th question, the oldest Ved is। Right answer D Rig Ved। 106th question, the East India Company established its first factory in India at। 106th right answer C Surat। The Arya Samaj was founded by। 107th right answer C Swami Dayanand Saraswati। 108th question, the musical instrument generally attributed to Amir Khusro is। 108th right answer D Veena। 109th question, the lowest rainfall in the world is recorded in the desert of। Right answer A Atacama। 110th question, approximate height of ozone layer above the ground is। A 40 to 60 kilometer। Merino is a species of। 108 D sheep is the right answer। The number of longitudes are। 112 right answer C 360। The Salal project is on the river। 113th right answer A Chenab, which is not a kharif crop। इसका राइट आंसर है 114th राइट आंसर D wheat। 115th question, Ganga river does not flow from। 150 right answer C Haryana। Bhabha atomic center is situated at। 116th right answer C Mumbai। India has been described by the constitution as B a union of states। Provision to amend the constitution is provided in the। 118th right answer A article 368। Who gave the call back to Vedas। 119th राइट आंसर सी दयानंद सरस्वती। इंपीरियलिज्म मीन्स 120 राइट आंसर डी ऑल ऑफ दीज। होप आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो, आपके काम आया हो। कृपया इसको आगे से आगे ज़रूर शेयर कीजिएगा। धन्यवाद जी।